If you want to manage your business finances effectively, tracking expenses in Xero is an essential skill. In this beginner-friendly guide, you will learn how to track expenses in Xero step by step, even if you have zero experience. Proper expense tracking helps you control costs, maintain accurate records, and make better financial decisions. To get started, log into your Xero account and go to the Business menu. From there, select Bills to Pay or Expenses, depending on how your account is set up. This is where you will manage all your outgoing payments. Next, record a new expense. Click on New Bill or Add Expense, then enter details such as supplier name, date, amount, and description. This ensures every expense is properly documented. After that, categorize your expenses. Choose the correct account from your chart of accounts, such as rent, utilities, or office supplies. Proper categorization is important for accurate reporting. You can also upload receipts for each expense, attach files like PDFs or images to your transactions. This helps maintain proof of expenses and keeps everything organized. Another important step is reconciling your bank transactions. If your bank account is connected to Xero, transactions will be imported automatically. Match these transactions with your recorded expenses to ensure accuracy. You can also use the Xero mobile app to capture expenses on the go. Take photos of receipts and upload them mubasharat, making it easier to track spending in real time. To monitor your expenses, use reports. Go to the accounting menu and select reports like profit and loss or expense reports. These give you insights into where your money is being spent. In short, tracking expenses in Xero involves recording bills, categorizing them, attaching receipts, reconciling transactions, and reviewing reports. Now that you understand the process, start tracking your expenses in Xero and take better control of your finances. If this helped, like, share, and subscribe for more.